Hello everyone, and welcome to Coding for Kids Next Level. We're excited to have you join us to learn all about coding and have some fun along the way. In this video, we'll cover a recap of AND and OR conditions, delve into functions, and explore various assignments, including a tic-tac-toe game. Let's start with a quick recap of what we've learned so far in Coding for Kids. We'll be focusing on combining conditions in our coding journey. The AND condition is true only if both conditions are true. For example, if both attendance and marks are above 75, then it's a good student. With the OR condition, if either of the conditions is true, then the overall condition is true. For instance, if you like apple or mango, your likes match. Next, we'll dive into the world of functions, a fundamental concept in coding. Think of a function like a recipe. To make a chocolate shake, you need ingredients and a method to follow, step by step. In coding, DF defines a method, like our myPrint function that takes a string as input and prints it. Functions need inputs, also called arguments or parameters. Now let's talk about the assignments you'll be working on to practice your new coding skills. You'll have exciting assignments, from accepting and printing names to building an Avenger quiz, and even creating a tic-tac-toe game using loops and conditions. Thank you for watching. We hope you enjoyed this video on Coding for Kids Next Level.